Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. So if you landed on this video, then it's possible that earlier workaround to get access to Google in PS5 is not working, right? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to share a quick workaround that works 100% as of creating this video. Before that, I'm trying to hit 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. Alright, so here is what you need to do. On PS5 home screen, switch to Welcome tab and then select Online Friends card and press X to open it. This will open the Friends dialog box. Alternately, you can press the PS button on the controller, navigate to Game Base at the bottom to open the same dialog box. Here select any of your friend on PlayStation Network. In case you don't have any friend, you can create your alternate account, log into PlayStation with that account and add it as friend so that it appears on the friend list. In the dialog box, switch to Send Message tab. Now this will open the chat window. Now you can see that if I type google.com or youtube.com, these links are not showing the preview, which means PlayStation has patched these links. So what you're gonna do is type www.bing.com, wait for a few seconds, and you will get a preview of the link. Select it and press X to open it. This will open the Bing search. And if you want, you can use Bing to perform your searches. On the other hand, you can use Bing search to search Google and open it. And that's it. Now you can use it the way you want. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.